In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default Calendly availability. Before we start, a quick note on what we're changing. Your default availability is the weekly schedule Calendly uses to determine when people can book time with you across your event types. Updating it saves you from editing each event individually and helps keep your booking hours consistent. Begin by opening Calendly and heading to your event types page. This is the central place where your meetings live, and it's the easiest jumping off point to adjust your working hours. Once you're there, look for the availability controls. You'll see a link or tab that takes you to Schedules. Click that to open the page where your availability templates are managed. On the Schedules page, find the option labeled Working Hours, which is the default schedule most accounts start with. Click into Working Hours to open the editor. This page shows each day of the week with time ranges that represent when you're bookable. If you don't see the days you expect, double-check the time zone indicator near the top. Your schedule displays in that time zone. Now edit the times to match your preferred working hours. Click directly on a day's time range to change the start and end times, or add another time block if you want to include a midday break. For example, you might set 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., then add a second block from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. If a day should be unavailable, switch it off so no one can book that day. As you make changes, Calendly typically saves them automatically, so you won't need to hunt for a save button. If your hours are largely the same across the week, save time by using the copy option. After you adjust one day to your liking, copy those hours to the rest of the days. Then fine-tune any exceptions, like a shorter Friday or a closed weekend. This keeps your schedule consistent and reduces mistakes. A few quick tips as you finalize things. Keep an eye on your time zone to avoid accidental early or late slots. If you prefer a midday break, use multiple blocks rather than one long range. And remember, these default working hours apply to any event type that uses this schedule, so once you're done, your booking pages will reflect these new times automatically. That's it. You've updated your default Calendly availability, ensuring your booking windows match your real working hours and making scheduling smoother for everyone.